nervous system, that is the sympathetic. From the first thoracic segment down till L2, the preganglionic neurons, they come out from the spinal cord, go to the ganglion, various ganglia, whether it is paravertebral or the prevertebral unpaired ganglion, and then from there the postganglionic fibers reach the effector cells, eye, heart, bronchi, and all these. It will be worthwhile to know the segments which supply particular organs. So the preganglionic fibers, which come from the first thoracic segments to fourth or fifth thoracic segment, they ascend in the neck to form three special ganglia, which are named as superior cervical ganglion, middle cervical, and cervical thoracic, also called stellate ganglion, which is made by fusion of inferior cervical ganglion and the first thoracic ganglion. And these postganglionic fibers from here, they rise up to supply head, neck, upper extremity, heart, and lungs. And they also participate with parasympathetic nervous system fibers of vagus to form cardiac and pulmonary plexus. The preganglionic fibers of 5th thoracic segment to the 10th thoracic segment, they form greater splanchnic nerve, which end within the celiac ganglia and innervate liver, spleen, kidney, pancreas, small bowel, and proximal colon.